There's a lesser-known stretch of the Upper West Side that affords top-notch amenities, a comprehensive lifestyle, modern construction, and easy access to both Columbus Circle and Lincoln Center. As a former resident, I would know this very well. But here's the tricky part. Finding an apartment that has 2 bedrooms, plus a home office, 2.5 baths, and over 1,500 square feet is extremely hard to come by. Until now. One of only a handful of its kind, this H-line residence is the largest 2-bedroom layout in the building. One Riverside Park is highly regarded as one of the nicest on this stretch of Riverside Boulevard, featuring a 24-hour Doorman and Concierge and over 50,000 square feet of lifestyle amenities, including a 40,000 square foot fitness facility, screening room, entertainment room with catering kitchen, residence lounge, game room. The fitness facility features a 75-foot pool, rock climbing wall, squash court, bowling alley, billiards table, and table tennis.